Hi guys, I'm Steph. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. I am so excited to be bringing you the update for my Roulette pan collab. This is the second update. We're supposed to be posting it January 5th, so given enough opportunity, I think I'm finally going to get this one actually up on time. I am filming it on the 5th, so hopefully I can edit it and post it today. I'm intending to put it up on time. It's going to be super embarrassing if that doesn't happen. Anyways, if you like project pans and that type of video and just like using your collection, getting the most out of it, then please consider subscribing. I have a lot of project pans planned for 2019, and those intro videos are going to be going up shortly. I kind of just want to like finish up all my 2018 stuff. I was sick at the end of the year, so all my like best of 2018 empties, those types of videos are kind of coming up this week, but I wanted to make sure I got this video up on time. But you guys probably don't care about all that, so I'm just going to get into the progress. I wear pretty much all of these products every day, and today is no exception. So in my brows, I am wearing the e.l.f. brow pencil, and I'm just going to show you my progress on the paper because when I rolled it up and tried to mark it, I like pressed it too firmly against the paper and it kind of snapped. So it's still in the packaging, just to show you what it looks like. It's this. I just tried to roll it up to put it against the paper, and it was over my bed and it fell out, so I don't want it to risk it falling on the floor. So I'm just going to show you my progress. So here I am right here. That was the intro first update, second update. So I definitely have used a lot, or more so between this and the last update in the last month, so that is pretty exciting. My goal is to finish it, but given how slow my progress is, I'm not 100% sure if that's possible. I don't mind though, because I do love the product. The category was an old favorite, so definitely something I do love. My next product, I am wearing it on my eyes today. I did kind of take a little bit of a break from it, and that is the Almay Intense Eye Color in the Raisin Quartz. The category was a color eyeliner, and my goal is to finish it because I really have no way to track the progress. So I guess when I stop being able to apply product, that is how I will know I'm done. I'm not really sure that goal is obtainable within the span of this project. Like I said, I am wearing it today just to cross like liner on my lids. I did stop wearing it for a while there, but I've really gotten back into it this last week, so slowly but surely I am working on it. I'm definitely pulling it for a lot more than before it was in this project, so to me that is like an achievement. The next category was a product you don't reach for enough, and for that I chose the Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Under Eye Primer. I hauled this product last year. I tested it so I could do an update, and then I loved it, but I just never reached for it again. So I'm really happy with the amount of progress I have made. When I first put it in, it was right at this black line, like where the packaging stops being black. And my first update I made a little bit of progress, but this update I've made quite a bit, so I'm really happy with that. My goal is just to get it to right here. There's some writing on the back, and like the first blob of words was my goal. So I'm steadily approaching it. Not sure if I'm going to reach it by the next update. I would really love to actually roll something into this project, but if it doesn't happen, I'm still happy with all the progress I have been making thus far. The next category was a product that brightens, illuminates, or highlights, and for that I chose the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Vanilla Quartz. This is just one of the little itty bitty mini sizes, and oh, I hope you can see my progress. I feel like it's so hard to show the progress on this product because it is so reflective, so it's really hard to tell. Okay, I'm not sure if there's like a huge dip. Oh my gosh, why can't you see it? Maybe you can tell. I'm going to have my photo from my last update just so you can see the progress. Oh, I feel like it's not capturing it. Oh, maybe this angle? You kind of see how like flat it is here. That's not really where I'm putting my brush. And then this is where I've been putting my brush. It is like a huge dip. Oh, I really hope you can tell. Let me know if you can. It's there. Oh, it's such a dip. Anyways, hopefully you were able to see that there is a giant dip, like to the point where I really think potentially I could hit pan in the next update. I'm not entirely sure. If you've panned one of these like little mini Becca highlighters before, can you tell me how long it took you to hit pan? I've been working on it for like the past 2 months. I used it on and off before then, but not really like a concerted effort. There was a little bit of a dip going on when I started, but I mean it's really deep right now. So I don't see the rings yet, but I'm hoping that I'll be able to get there by the next update. And my goal for this product was just to hit pan. For a product I would recommend to anyone, I chose the Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. Looks like this. I chose it because I think it works great under the eye, all over the face, just a very good setting powder in general. And the progress is, the lines are slowing down because obviously like the product gets wider, so the amount used between each line looks less, but I think I'm using it every day. I use it just to really set my under eye, maybe like a little bit like my chin, nose, forehead, but I do have like a pressed powder I go in with everywhere else, so really this is just very much focused on my under eye area. And hopefully you can see there's a little line right here. It's very close to the first update line, and like I said, I just think that's because the product is like getting wider. So we're not at the widest part yet. My goal was to like get to here. I'm not entirely sure. It's definitely not going to happen by the next update. Maybe by the finale. We'll see. I'm going to really keep using it every single day. And my last category was a collab product. I don't have a lot of collab products in my collection, so I didn't really have that many to choose from. So I chose the Kathleen and ColourPop Dream Street eyeshadow palette, and I'm focusing on the shade, I think it's called Elfish. I don't understand how the shades correspond on the back to like the colors. Anyways, it's like this deep shade here. I use it to darken up like the outer corner of my eyeshadow. I have been using it every single day. Like there is not another color I use on the outer corner. The outer corner wasn't something I really focused on before this project, so I really have been liking how it looks, and I love the shade. I really hope you can see the dip. So quite the dip going on right in the center. Maybe. I swear it's there. Hopefully you can tell. I'm going to put like what it looked like last time versus this time. Can you see the dip in the center? I do not know how to show like progress properly, clearly. Hopefully I have captured the work I've done. I am not quite sure how deep this pan goes. My goal is to hit pan. I know I don't know if that's going to actually be realistic, but I'm happy to have been getting so much use out of this, because even though this is the shade I'm reaching for, I tend to put either this one or this one in my inner corner. I love these two shades for all over the lid. This is like a really nice transition shade. Sometimes I put this in my crease. So it has just made me reach for the palette itself overall, which is great because before this project, I had not touched this palette. I had owned it for almost a year and I had never put it on my eyes. So even if I don't hit pan, I still consider this a huge success because I've probably reached for this palette like, I mean, I'm wearing it every day, so that's like the amount of time I wear makeup. I don't know, like at least like 30 times, which is a lot more than I did previous, because the previous was 0. Anyways, so yay for actually reaching for things in your collection. So unfortunately nothing to roll in yet, but I am working really hard and I have made some progress, so I'm really happy with that. Like I said, I have some projects that I am planning to do for 2019. I already have all the products picked out and I have started to work on them, but like I said, I just wanted to finish up my 2018 wrap-up videos before I start doing like my 2019 introduction, so that's why they're not out yet, but they will be shortly. So if all of that interests you, I would love it if you would subscribe. If you're doing this project as well, please let me know down below because I would love to check out your updates. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye!